Hi and good day. My name is Adrelson Saga DESMOND. My matrix number CD 2000198. Today I will present the C code for lathe machine. This is a C code for lathe machine. Then we execute it. Compile and run. This is an instruction of using lathe machine. Please follow all the instructions to complete the desired product. The desired product, pump shaft. Please set up the machine and the product of your desire first. Then we select number 2 for setup machine. Please enter the diameter of the raw material 70 mm. Now please state the length of the raw material 200 mm. Please enter the center diameter of the hole 40 mm. Please enter the depth of center hole 30 mm. Please set the desired RPM 1200 RPM. Please set the depth of cutting 30 mm. Please set the depth of second cutting 10 mm. Then we enter the number 3 product detail. As you guys can see from here, we got the value for the MRR is 7601.13. For the feed rate 144.00. For cutting speed 263.93. Then we select number 1 for machining process. All the required dimension has been stated. Do you wish to continue the machining process? Press yes, number 1. Okay. Then we get the total part machining time is 126.6854. Total energy consumption 1266 at 5.4375. Total operation cost RM 27.6385. And total solid waste generation are 5.05 as 6 kg. And estimated productivity per 8 hours working are 3 pieces. Then machining process completed. That's all from me. Thank you.